dog. This is the penis of dog. The penis of dog, it's called glans penis because free end of the penis is called glans penis. And speciality of the penis of dog is that in the glans penis, the entire length of glans penis, there is os penis. Inside there is a bone that is called হাত দিলে দেখবেন ভিতরে একটা শক্ত, এটা কি বলা হয়? os penis. In the glans penis এর ভিতরে একটা বোন আছে এই পুরো জায়গাটা জুড়ে, এটাকে বলে os penis বলা হয়। And in the glans penis there is a bulging area that is called bulb of the glans. That is called this is called bulb of the, এই যে মোটা অংশটাকে কি বলা হয়? Bulb of the glans. This is called, এটাকে বলা হয় bulb of the glans. This is called bulb of the glans. This bulb of the glans swollen during mating and huge blood because there is cavernosum tissue is high amount. That's why cavernosum tissue means the tissue that has some empty space, hollow space. During mating, before mating, during mating, huge blood comes to this cavernous of penis space. That's why, due to supply of huge blood, the bulb of the glans become very swollen. And when it is swollen, it is locked in the vagina. And due to the big, for example, this is the bulb of the glans. When it is during copulation, during mating, due to the engorgement of huge blood, due to the huge blood supply, the bulb become very swollen. And when it is swollen, it cannot come out through the vagina, from the vagina. That's why it's locked for a time being. And suddenly, slowly, when the